Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and today I share with you how to create a Snapchat account. But before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay, let's start. Go to Play Store application on your mobile phone. In Play Store, all you have to do is search the Snapchat on search bar. So you will see the Snapchat on your mobile phone and click the install to install it to your mobile phone. So okay guys, wait for the Snapchat installing. After installing the Snapchat, click the open or go to your Snapchat icon on your mobile phone. Okay guys, we here on Snapchat icon on mobile phone. Click this. So okay guys, you will see the login button or sign up button. You all have to do is click this sign up button. Okay, after you click the sign up button, you will see the get started. Enable app permission to make it sign up easy. Click continue. And we have a pop-up. Allow Snapchat to access your contact. Click allow. Allow Snapchat to make a manage phone call. Click allow. And after that, you will see the what's your name. Okay guys, I put my name and my short name and click this sign up and accept. So guys, this is my account. So another is when your birthday. Okay guys, put your birthday on here and you can adjust the date of your birthday. And after you adjust the date of your birthday, you can click the continue. After you click the continue, you will see the username here, and you can change the username by clicking the change username button. So okay guys, I changed my username. So if you have a Snapchat account, you can add me on Snapchat. So okay guys, after you put a username, click the continue. So after you click the continue, set a password. So okay guys, you can set a password. And after you set a password, what's your email address? So if you don't have an email address, you can sign in with your phone number. Click the sign in button or sign in phone number. Okay guys, after you put your number, click continue and you will receive a SMS verification code. So this code is wait the 1 minute before you receive the code. Okay guys, if you don't have received any code on SMS, you can select the call me instead. We have a pop-up and you select OK. Okay guys, after you receive a call with confirmation code, click OK and wait for this. So okay guys, your account is ready, and find your friend and your friend to send snap and view their stories. So click continue or click skip. So allow Snapchat to assist your camera and local storage to take photo and video, detect screenshot and more. Click turn on. Allow Snapchat to take picture and record video. Click allow. Allow Snapchat to access photo, media, and file on your device. Click allow. Allow Snapchat to record audio, click allow. So okay guys, the Snapchat are ready and we have tried this. So select the emoji and I tried this emoji. So okay guys, your Snapchat account are ready now and you can Snapchat your image or video. So okay guys, that's it and thank you for watching.